Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your tip of the week. Today I want to talk to you more about a feeling than an idea, and that feeling is the fear of rejection that we all have within us. There are few things as debilitating to a person's confidence than the actual fear of rejection. In a business like ours where we face others continuously in an effort to earn their trust and eventually earn their business, this can be an extremely powerful hindrance. All fear essentially is connected to a sense of loss. We may fear losing the approval of others, losing money, losing a sense of status or peace of mind. Sometimes the natural process of aging causes us to fear that others will reject us because of our appearance or the way we carry ourselves. Whatever it is, fear of rejection is something that can and must be overcome if we're to be successful in our business and in working relationships with our peers and our customers. Seeking reassurance from others is not the key to overcoming the fear of rejection. In fact, this can increase our sense of rejection by letting others know that we have such fears. It is in understanding and developing a positive view of our own value that we overcome the fear of rejection. A salesperson lives from sale to sale. Having confidence that our customers are satisfied with us and the way we do business is a very important thing for our ability to make a positive impression. When we lose this, it can cause us to take things too personally and spiral us into a sense of rejection. Some steps of the sales process can make us feel we're being rejected if we take them personally. Dealing with customer obstacles can be such a time. The best way to avoid this is to become an expert at dealing with most common obstacles. The more we feel confident in what we are saying, the less we will take rejection personally. Nobody likes to feel rejected. Learning how to properly view rejection can be a powerful force for self-improvement. Hollywood star Sylvester Stallone says, "I take rejection as someone blowing a bugle in my ear to wake me up and get going, rather than retreat." The more we know about ourselves and the way we view who we are as a person can make a big difference in how we respond to those we're meeting with in a sales process. As a salesperson, this of course can happen several times a day. Having a poor self-image will not benefit our abilities to inspire our customers. The more we learn to accept who we are, the better we'll be able to reject the fear of being rejected. In essence, we're all cut from the same cookie dough. We all have good points and not so good points about us. And when we are looking at others, we need to realize that they're just like us, complex creatures with their own issues, both good and bad. Learning how to embrace our uniqueness can go a long way in the battle against fear of rejection. Make a personal assessment of your good points and those you think are not so good. And this can help you see areas where you can improve the areas that you want to feel more confident in. By making an effort to improve, you can overcome many of the things that cause you to feel rejection. Someone once said that wondering about what others think of us is an effort in futility. In fact, they probably aren't thinking of us. Most people, like the rest of us, spend their time primarily thinking about themselves. This, in fact, can be a big part of the problem. We overthink what people are thinking about us when they, in fact, are not thinking about us at all. Learn to not take yourself so seriously. Instead, take what you do seriously. This can be a tremendous help for overcoming the fear of rejection. When you're focused on what you're doing and are spending time listening to your customers' wants and needs, you don't have a lot of time to wonder about what they're thinking of you. So do your best to help them solve their problems, and you won't have to worry about being rejected. You'll be too busy hearing about what a great job you've done. Always remember that the fear of rejection is just that. It's fear. I like the acronym I once read about the word fear, which is, fear is false evidence appearing real. And isn't that just so true?